Hi, it's Krista with WTI. Do you want to add a little pop of green to your interior decor and you don't have a green thumb? Well, I'm going to show you the Supla mini succulent set that's great for any person who could do a quick DIY to bring in that artificial greenery. This set is going to give you a beautiful assortment of different succulent plants that look super realistic. You will have people touching your plants thinking that they're live. These succulents are perfect for little DIY projects. You'll notice it just took me a few moments to put together a planter full of succulents that I could place anywhere in the house. In the kitchen, in the bedroom, in the office, even outdoors, they blend in wonderfully with live plants. So whether you just don't have the environment to support live plants, or you just don't have the green thumb to keep them up, the Supla artificial succulent set is perfect for you, and that's my point of view.